Hi all, this is Abhishek and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you this building set from CubicFun. This box contains a model pirate ship named Queen Anne's Revenge, which was a ship of the pirate named Blackbeard. This model ship has LED inside. And as you can see, this model has 340 pieces, takes 4 hours to complete, the complexity is rated 8. The dimensions are 67.7 into 25.4 into 64.3 centimeters, and this model does not need glue or any tools. So without further ado, let's start. Now let's open the box. The box contains LED strips and a cardboard piece to puncture the cardboard pieces from the frame, an instructional manual, and the cardboard pieces. Let's start making. Now, I didn't take the full making video and also could not take the video installation of the mast, sail, and the flag of the ship. Me and my brother are beginners and we are making this type of model for the first time. So for beginners, please note that this is a very challenging building set and you will need a ton of patience in order to complete. Also, do not exert a lot of pressure while fitting the pieces into the right places because this model kit is made out of cardboard, so it can bend very easily, or in some bad cases, it may even break. We also lost some pieces due to that. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel. You can find the link to buy this kit in the description. Now enjoy the video. watching. Like, share, subscribe.